you're ready to trademark your brand. Here is a quick guide to the entire application process and what to expect at each stage. Hi everyone, I'm Trish Meyer. I'm the founder and managing attorney at Meyer Law. Getting your trademark approved is an exciting milestone, but understanding the timeline can help manage expectations throughout the entire process. The journey begins with what I call the prep phase, which usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, you want to define your trademark, you want to conduct a preliminary research to ensure that it's unique, and determine the goods or services that it will cover. Next, you want to allow 2 to 4 weeks for a comprehensive trademark search. Use the USPTO database to check for similar trademarks and consider state and international databases if your business plans include global expansion. Professional search services or a trademark attorney can also provide additional insights and thorough check. Preparing your application takes another 1 to 2 weeks. You want to gather all of the necessary information, such as the trademark owner's details and a clear depiction of the trademark. Then draft and review the application carefully. You want to consult with the trademark attorney to help ensure accuracy. Filing the application itself usually is completed within a week through the USPTO system. After submission, you'll receive confirmation receipt with your application and serial number. After you submit your application, you will receive confirmation with an application serial number. The examination and review phase takes about 3 to 6 months, during which time the USPTO will assess your application. You want to be prepared to respond to any office actions and monitor the publication in the official gazette for any opposition. If your application clears the opposition period, you'll receive your registration certificate in approximately 6 to 12 months. You want to keep track of all maintenance filings, including the declaration of use and renewal every 10 years, and consider international trademark registration if you will be expanding globally. By understanding and managing these steps, you ensure a smooth trademark application process and you will be protecting your brand effectively. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to learn about more tips as you are growing your business. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.